SOYES S10 Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. When you're in this kind of menu, you have to use volume up key to navigate to the first option, recovery mode, and then select it with volume down. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can navigate through the menu using volume up key, and you can select options using power key. So here you have such options as power off, view recovery logs, mount system, root integrity check, restore user data, backup user data, wipe cache partition, wipe data factory reset, apply update from SD card, apply update from ADB, reboot to bootloader, and reboot system now. If you want to exit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.